Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to change screen resolution on Windows.
If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe.
So the first thing you should do here is go to your settings. You can go to your start menu, type settings, open settings, and then this time you have to look for display. So the display option is right here. Tap this one. Now make sure that you have tap on display. Now scroll down here and then go to scale and layout. Now here it is. You will see here the size text, also the display resolution, where you can change the screen resolution of your windows. So feel free to select the one that you want or that you choose. And then after that, it will just automatically change the screen resolution of your windows. So after that, you can also go to display orientation. If you want to change this from landscape to portrait, everything is up to you. Now there is this option here, which is advanced scaling settings. Now, if you tap this advanced scaling settings, you will see this custom scaling in Windows display settings. It allows you to manually set a scaling level percentage that enlarges or shrinks text, apps, and other items on your screen beyond the standard preset options. But this one is optional. So basically, that's how easy it is to change screen resolution on Windows. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.